Welcome back to the channel, your go-to channel for sleek, stylish, and powerful rides from across the globe. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Hyundai Elantra N. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. Don't waste the time, let's start the video. The 2025 Elantra N takes the boldness of Hyundai's design language to an entirely new level. At first glance, the aggressive front fascia immediately demands attention, with a sharper and more angular grille that's flanked by redesigned LED headlights. The new bumper design adds functional air vents that not only enhance cooling but also boost the car's performance aesthetic. Hyundai has also updated the daytime running lights, making them sleeker and more integrated into the body lines. From the side profile, the car retains its edgy and dynamic stance with crisp body creases, but now with a slightly lowered ride height and new 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels exclusive to the N variant. The N badges and red accented side skirts make it clear this isn't your average Elantra. Around back, the facelifted taillights stretch further across the trunk lid, joined by a more prominent lip spoiler and a new diffuser that hugs dual exhaust tips which growl with purpose. It's not just a refresh, it's a full-on performance statement. Now let's step inside. The 2025 Elantra N's interior balances sportiness with modern tech. You're greeted by sculpted N-specific sport seats wrapped in suede and leather with red contrast stitching, providing both comfort and bolstering when cornering hard. The flat-bottom steering wheel is thick-rimmed and features customizable N buttons, letting you toggle drive modes instantly. The dual 12.3-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and the other for infotainment, now run on Hyundai's latest software interface, delivering sharper graphics and faster responsiveness. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, but what's new is the N performance screen, which shows real-time telemetry like boost pressure, oil temp, lap times, and G-forces, perfect for those track day warriors. Aluminium pedals, N seatbelt accents, and ambient lighting complete the cabin's immersive atmosphere. And despite its performance DNA, the Elantra N doesn't compromise practicality. Rear seat space is generous for the segment, and the trunk remains roomy enough for weekend bags or a full grocery haul. But what makes this machine really special lies under the hood. The 2025 Elantra N continues to be powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, now slightly refined for better throttle response and smoother power delivery. It pumps out an impressive 276 horsepower and 289 pounds-to-feet of torque, paired with either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic with paddle shifters. Hyundai has recalibrated the electronic limited slip differential, giving the Elantra N more grip out of corners. There's also an updated suspension setup with firmer dampers and enhanced chassis rigidity, all contributing to sharper handling and improved ride comfort. A variable exhaust system lets you switch from quiet daily driving to an aggressive, crackling soundtrack with the push of a button. You also get launch control, rev matching, and the N-Grin shift feature that temporarily increases boost for short bursts of power. The steering is more communicative, and braking has been enhanced with larger front rotors, making the Elantra N a genuine performer whether you're on twisty back roads or just commuting in style. As for pricing, the 2025 Elantra N starts at around $34,000 for the manual version and about $36,000 for the dual-clutch automatic, making it one of the best value performance sedans on the market today. With rivals like the VW GTI, Honda Civic Type R, and Subaru WRX, the Elantra N stands out by offering a complete package: power, precision, and daily drivability, all in a sharply designed body. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Hyundai Elantra N. If you're into high-performance daily drivers with attitude and value, this one deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on the world's most thrilling cars. See you in the next ride.